JJ from SNS. I'm going to show you our Stealth Air Cleaner. Now I go into stores, I show this every time. Reason for that, there's a lot of advantages to this over the other breathers in the market. Okay, you've seen these online, you've seen them in the catalog. I want to show you why you should be using them. Now, Stealth Air Cleaner, standard, okay? This is your normal filter, that's how they come. You can upgrade them. I'm going to start by disassembling this one. On the front, you'll see it has a stinger cone. Same as we've had in our teardrops. If you've used those, you're familiar with this. Filter element, okay? Like I said, these are upgradable. This is your standard filter. This is your +1 filter. When you get to about 120 inches, this starts to make sense. Now, the backplate. This is where things get interesting. Backplate on all of our previous Stealths are cast aluminum. The later generations, our M8 breathers, our Stealth breathers, for a street rod and for the street 500s and 750s are performance polymer. What does that mean? It means this backplate is no longer cast, okay? Also means there's no gasket between here. We actually lay an O-ring in, okay? Inside of this polymer, if you've ever turned a fairing screw on your Street Glide or Ultra, you've had that happen. You won't have that happen here because these brass inserts are winged. Now the advantage to the polymer is going to be that it doesn't heat soak. That engine's hot, whether it's a water-cooled or an air-cooled model, and it's going to soak that backplate. So the charge of air coming in your engine will always be warmer. With this, it dissipates the heat. You can ride all day in 100-degree temps and physically hold this. That's how much cooler it is. Price point on these Stealth air cleaners range from $149 to $159. For the performance of these Stealths and for the cost of them, you can't beat them. Now some other details, the inserts that go to the throttle body, these are also threaded. So when your screws, where they come loose, they won't actually come out and ingest in the engine. Now we have other covers for them. Like I said, the faceplate on all your football covers and most standard Harley covers, it'll fit here without any modification. For your late model Rushmore touring bikes and your M8 bikes, you'll take an adapter to put your stock cover back on these. Now as far as aftermarket covers, we got plenty. Okay, there's Airstream, there's Mini Teardrop, we got Air One, and if you have a custom motorcycle with a center bolt air cleaner that you want to run, they will fit. Those are some of the reasons why we want you using our Stealth air cleaner and why your customers are demanding them.